I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Libra, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 22nd to April the 30th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate or nakaka-resonate, and hit po, no, comment lang. Check the notification bell, ayan, para ma-notify po kayo every time na tayo nag-release ng bagong video. Yeah. Pwede naman po kayo magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Gusto ko lang pong sabihin sa inyo na this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Humingi po ako ng pasensya dahil medyo na-late tayo. Alam niyo naman na kapag mahal ng araw, nagpupunta ang mga spiritual practitioners sa ibang lugar to meditate, do some rituals. I did my part. Nakita nyo naman, pinost ko sa TikTok and sa Facebook yung ating journey. No? So, para makapagbigay pa tayo, no, ng karagdagang services sa inyo. So, magsimula na tayo. Libra, parang kung meron kang Virgo sa chart mo or Virgo ang iyong karelasyon, might as well check mo ang Virgo reading dahil meron din siyang sense of urgency, no? Meron din, kailangan ko bang sabihin na to? Kailangan na ba akong umamin? Kailangan ko na ba magsalita? Parang feeling ko naubusan ako ng oras. There's something in here that I need to do and I feel like this is the right time for me to do it, no? Meron din ako nakikita ditong there might be some challenging situation between you and your person. Parang natatakot din na hindi ko kaya na siguro na pagtanto, no? Na hindi ko kaya mawala si person. Whether this is you or your person, kung magpapatuloy siya, no, to walk away and search for someone new, hindi ko kakayanin. I think meron din dito mga nagtatago or nagtago ang bigla na lang magpapakita, no? There's actually an explanation that needs to unravel, and I think na ito ay magsa-surface, no, this week. With the Chariot, the Nine of Cups, and the Four of Swords. Nakakita talaga ako na merong lumayo. So chances are, nagkaroon dito ng less communication to no communication at all. So energetic separation. Siguro nagbakasyon, hindi ka sinama or nagbakasyon. Wala kayong communication because there's lack of signals. With the Nine of Cups, so parang nandito na siya, pabalik na siya, magpapakita na uli. I feel like meron itong ginawa sa kung saan man siya nagpunta, no? Doesn't necessarily mean sa probinsya. Nagbakasyon siya, pwedeng yung ibang nasa probinsya dito nagbakasyon sa Manila, no? Nagmuni-muni at parang sabi niya, kailangan ko na yatang umamin, no? Na aking nararamdaman. Kasi or may pagbibigyan. I feel like meron ditong hiningi ikaw na kailangan niya ng ibigay. Medyo late, pero sabihin natin, sige, huli man daw at magaling, no? ibibigay ko pa rin. Ayan, yun na ba yun? With the Four of Swords. So parang pinanghinaan tayo ng loob. With the Ace of Pentacles and the Seven of Wands. Kung meron man tayong hiningi, parang sinabi natin, ay, ayoko na siyang paulit-ulitin na kulitin, no? Ibibigay pa ba sa akin? Igagrant pa ba yung wish ko? What have you? Pero kasi ang nakikita ko dito, ibibigay naman siya. Medyo late na lang. Actually, the Nine of Cups is wish granted. For those of you na meron na nandito sa mga crushes and no labels, I feel like ito yung pag-amin. Ito yata yung pagmumuni-muni na kailangan niya mag-isa. At doon niya napagtanto na meron akong totoong nararamdaman. This is not just admiration. This is not just crush. I feel like this is a romantic feelings na kailangan kong i-express. Ayan. So, meron talaga ang pag-amin ng kanyang nararamdaman dito. I think that meron din itong pasalubong, kung di man ito regalo. Pasalubong regalo, it's the same. Ipinaabot, ipapaabot, or promise, no, na gagawin na. With the Queen of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, the Five of Wands. I want to clarify the Five of Wands kasi nakikita ko ng challenges kasi baka kasi sabihin mo, hindi ko na yung kailangan ngayon. Sana noon mo pa yung binigay. Ang tagal kong inantay, ito lang pala. So parang mawawala yata yung appreciation. Huwag naman, with the Full card and the Ten of Wands. Sabihin natin meron lang kasing immaturity, no? Dito sa relationship na ito. I feel like siguro si Libra itong nag open up ng kanyang emotions. At first, sumakay lang itong si person. Lately na lang niya nalaman, mahal ko na rin pala si Libra. But, meron tayo kasi pinupush dito na mangyari. By that time siguro, hindi pa siya ganun, hindi niya pa ganun ka-confirm na buo sa puso niya na kailangan ko nang gawin, kailangan ko itong gawin. With the Ten of Wands kasi medyo nahihirapan siya sa mga sitwasyon that time. So I feel like itong paghihiwalay ninyo needs to happen for them to understand the importance of you in their life, the importance of this connection. Let's check some more cards, no? Meron din yata ditong age gap, no, nakakita ko. It may be a May-December love affair. It might not be, baka konti lang. But if we're not talking about the age, we might be talking about the maturity, no? Merong mga tao, maliit pa lang, or bata, maliit pa lang, matured na mag-isip. Meron din namang matanda na bata mag-isip, no? With the Emperor, the Four of Pentacles, and the Ten of Swords. So parang sinabi dito ni person, ayoko na maging matigas ang ulo ko. So parang this week makikita mo yung pagiging generous, no, ni person. Probably that's why nakakita ka ng regalo, pasalubong, or this might be an expression. This abundance is something that you can feel, hear, see, taste, smell, touch, no? In this 3D na parang sinasabi nga na may experience mo, no? Pwedeng salita din ito. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, pag-amin. Let's get message from the universe. Bakit para kasing meron dito nagdadamot muna? Meron ako nakikita dito nagdadamot. Ayokong sabihin ng mga pwedeng last week, no? Kung ano yung totoo kong nararamdaman. Or probably meron dito nagsinungaling, kinainisan, ayaw kitang kausap. Ngayon, nung nagkaroon ng separation, doon ko naalala or doon ko napagtanto na, yeah, kailangan ko pala talagang maging honest dito sa relationship na to. And this time, sasabihin ko na kung yung buong katotohanan. No? With the King of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, and the Seven of Swords. I feel like meron talaga ditong Seven of Swords kasi is a thief in the night. So, chances are, either this is nagsinungaling, merong nakuha, may kinuha, ibabalik, or pwede rin ito kinuha yung peace of mind mo. Ngayon, ibabalik niya yung kanyang, ang iyong peace of mind na parang isi-secure ka niya, no? Parang I'm not going to leave anymore. I think na magkakaroon din kayo ng intimate moments here dahil with the Ace of Swords. This might be a thought, pero I feel like with the Seven of Swords, kasi katabi niya yung Seven of Swords, medyo dudulas ito, no? Na parang this is not just about fantasy, this is not just about us discussing these things, gagawin na natin ito. So I feel like magkakaroon ng mainit na yung panahon, papainitin nyo pa, no? Let's clarify the Seven of Swords, the Three of Swords, and the Page of Swords. For those of you na parang nagkaroon ng third-party situation, I feel like tinanggal na nito ang third-party situation and parang sinabi niya na I'm going to stick in the relationship, I am going to stick with you, I'm going to nourish, flourish, and give importance not to this relationship. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, kung hindi nyo po maabutan, baka pwede naman kayong mag-comment, no? Or magtanong sa comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo mapapatulog ng yes or no lang, dumiretso na po kayo din sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question, no? For your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Aries, napaka-dominant nga, no? Capricorn is here, Leo is here, Cancer, Pisces, ayan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.